Good day, everybody, and happy new year to my subscribers and my students out there. Okay, this new year we have already started working on our AdSense account, and on the screen so far you can see this is my live AdSense dashboard. And for this month, we have generated $400 on this account. For last month, we have been balanced with like $30,000 for last month. What we loaded last month, $30,000. And for this today so far, you can see we have made like $200. You can see yesterday we even made 100. We have not started pushing it the way we normally push it. This is just a new month, it's a fresh month. We have to start working small to see how it's going, okay? Before we start hitting it hard. You understand? And you can see over here our performance. By the way, for those of you that are new to this channel, if you go through my page, you will notice that I have been posting this particular account for a long time. Throughout last year, I have been dropping this particular account now, and I've been dropping a lot of video on it, both when the account face ad limits, both when the clicks are dropping, when every issues, and also post when we have solved the issues. Okay, so this is a strong account. It has also been receiving payments organically the last 2 years before it stopped receiving that much of a traffic before I started loading it. So you can see that this loading method is an effective loading method. You can see that from here, you can see what our CPC is. Our CPC is low though, but as time goes on, between 3 working days now, I will post the video again and show you that the CPC has increased. It might not increase that high, but it's going to increase because the cookies we work with are actually quality cookies. They are cookies that once you make use of it on your account, you're going to see potential results. Okay, let me reload this. Let me know whether there's something that I've added up. Okay, nothing so far, nothing much. All right, so guys, you can see from here that we have run like 5,000 page views on this account, 5,000 page views on the account, and this page views is a little bit of organic traffic and the rest of it is automation. I actually work with the automation method. Everything I work on my account is fully automated method. So if you're looking for a means of loading your AdSense that account without having any issues, facing any issues of too many ad limit on your account, this is the right channel for you. And by the way, I also drop updates. We updated this method around November last year, so there is no really much update. Said Google makes an update this year along the line, and whenever there is an update, we always keep updating you guys on the method that is working currently. Okay, so if you have a huge AdSense account that you would love us to partner with this year, when I mean huge account that have received more than $10,000. If your account has not received more than $10,000, please don't bring the account for partnership. Okay, we need a huge account to work on. If your account has received such huge amount of money, you can bring it up for partnership and work on your account and also share revenue. Okay, by the way, other people that are also interested in becoming my students, you want to learn this method, you want to work on your account with the method and get paid, you can click on the description box below. You're going to see our contact info there. You can contact us and we will negotiate. Okay, so guys, safe loading to everybody out there. One more peace to you guys, and if you still want to get access to more of this content, click on the subscribe button and follow us for more of this content. Have a nice day, everybody, and happy new year.